How do you celebrate New Year?
Well, just like other Korean families, all family members gather round and eat some traditional food. Then, we talk about what is going on and catch up with each other.
Are there any New Year that you particularly liked and still remember?
It was quite some time ago, when I was staying in London. My friends and I went to Westminster Abbey to see the New Year fireworks, and we got interviewed by BBC reporters. It was so much fun.
Do you have any ceremonies to celebrate the New Year in your country?
I can think of one. On New Year's Eve, a huge bell in Seoul is rung by politicians 33 times, to inform people about the new year. I think there are few celebrations in every city.
Why do people think New Year is a new beginning?
Because it makes people feel that they leave anything bad behind with the past year and start something new. New Year actually motivates people in numerous ways. Well, I'd have to talk about working holiday to Australia. One of my best friends has done it, but I've never experienced it in my life. Actually, when she graduated from her secondary school, she suddenly decided to go to Australia, then she found out she can get working holiday visa. So, she basically went on a working holiday to Australia and stayed there for about 2 years. I think she stayed in Melbourne, and she always says it was the best moment in her life. I think going on a working holiday seems really interesting. While my friend was staying in Australia, she experienced so much. She went on a road trip, did surfing and loads of water activities, and even went to an island. Whenever she talks about her experience, it sounds so fascinating. Also, she made loads of friends from all over the world. Once or twice a year, she visits different countries to meet friends who she made friends in Australia, and I feel kind of jealous about it. As I have never been on a working holiday, it seems very exciting to me.
Are people influenced more by their friends or their parents?
I think parents. I believe family is the one who always influences one's life continuously in many aspects like personality, lifestyle, habits, and things like that. People spend lots of time together with family and are influenced throughout life. I think friends. Obviously people share lots of ideas and thoughts with their friends and usually have lots in common. What their friends think has a huge impact on people.
Are people influenced by famous people?
I think so. There are lots of famous people who are influential, and people are influenced by their words, fashion style, and lifestyle a lot.
Do you think more and more people are becoming more self-centered?
Yes, definitely. It seems more people just care about themselves and not anyone around them, so they just do whatever they want to do without thinking about what others will think and feel.
Why are there many self-centered people?
I'm not quite sure, but maybe people these days are quite obsessed with themselves. Also, I think it's related to the way of their parents raising them. Most parents are very overprotective and only care about their children whether they misbehave or not. It makes them become more and more self-centered.